I wanna go fishing, 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing.
Whoa, good ass off.
Thanks, Dave.
That's a great job. You know, I gotta give it to you. I love this idea of fishing before March break camp. This is really gonna make the time fly.
I love ice fishing, Dave.
Yeah,
It's great fun.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun. It is a lot.
What do you think we'll do with the fish, Dave? Will we eat them, or is this just catch and release?
Well, it all depends on whether they're right size, and right now, I'm kind of skeptical that we're gonna get the right size.
Really?
Really.
Why, Dave? We're in the middle of nowhere. This is like absolutely nowhere. Nothing. Why?
I think you got it.
It's pretty rough, man. A lot of
Not action